We have understood know your customer, or KYC is the first important process in the credit analysis. What is this KYC? What do we mean by know your customer? Number one, you have to understand the identity of the customer. What's his name? What's his name? What's the nature of business? Here we are mostly going to discuss about the corporates throughout this course. So what is the nature of the constitution? Whether your customer is sole proprietor or partnership or corporate, or let's say LLP, limited liability partnership, or is it a trust? So what is the identity? For identity, all these constitutions should have registration with respective authorities. If it is a sole proprietor, they should have a license under Shops and Establishment Act. If it is a partnership, they should have a partnership deed registered with Registrar of Firms. If it is a corporate, they should have memorandum, article, certificate of incorporation, all those registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And if it is an LLP, it should be registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So there is a identity requirement, whether they have complete identity proofs. That's number one in know your customer. Number two, knowing the address of the customer. One is identity, two is address proof. From where your customer is operating, that is the place of administration. Number two, where do they have their factory units? Where do they have their warehouses, depots? All these are required because you are going to give credit facilities to them, and in the event of default, you should be in a position to trace them from all these possible points or locations. It is highly possible that a customer could suddenly disappear or abscond. So we should be in a position to take control of all these places. Number three, we should know what are the statutory registrations applicable for this client or customer, and whether he is in compliance, and if not, what is going to be the risk for the money you have given. So whether they have taken the license registration under, let's say, the sales tax, GST and all. So whatever be the statutory registration that are applicable, whether they have taken that or not. Number four, you should understand the legality of the business of the customer, whether that business is first of all permitted. So there can be permissible and non-permissible business, whether the business of your customer is legal one or illegal one. So that have to be verified. So in KYC, in overall, we try to understand and have it on record the identity, address, statutory registrations and legality of the business of the customer.
Are you struggling in understanding banking creditor related matters like financial ratio analysis, cash flow and fund flow analysis, fund-based and non-fund-based products, term loan appraisal? Then this course is for you. Banking Credit Analysis Process. Enroll now. More details in description below.